think what people can get out of doing the Māori Movement web series is a look into te ao Māori, the Māori world, and the concepts that we work with. You can get a taste of Māori movement, kapahaka, fitness, and also a glimpse into our world and how we understand or look at the world from our worldviews.
Well, this basically caters to all sorts of fitness level, where you're beginner to advanced, because if you're beginner, of course there are different alternatives to each exercise, and to advanced there are also advanced level exercises as well.
We're moving in a way where it's foreign to the body, and these traditional Māori movements were used for close quarter combat fighting. And so we've just fused it in a way where we've taken out the element where you're going to kill somebody, and just put it into a fun context where you can start to enjoy yourself, but moving in a completely different way that the body has no understanding of.
I know sometimes it's really difficult to learn or be coordinated or catch on to everything when you're in a huge classroom or you're in a kapaka group or there's just a lot of people around you, but in your own space, I think this is an opportunity to practice in your own time and use the steps. If it's level 1 and you just want to stay there for the rest of the month, the last 2 months or only for a week, you can gradually use your own sort of process and find out and feel whether you can move on to the next level, etc., to get better.
Really, really excited about sharing it to the world, sharing it to our people on a different scale. So I feel really blessed and humbled to be a part.
It's really exciting to be able to teach people or to be able to share this with people beyond the people that we know. So if we can do this through a way, through the web series where, people from overseas or people who aren't within Auckland can watch this, be able to pick up the movements, be able to experience, even if it's only something little, as in watching something and being able, and copying and kind of getting little bits and pieces in terms of the knowledge and the content.
You'll be blown away by the results if you are consistent, just like anything else. This is just a different way of moving. So making sure that you can manage your eating, your work life, your family life, and your Māori movement life, if you bring it in. You can do it in your lounge, you can do it in your office, you can do it in a car park. Basically all you need to do is just have the camera in front of you so you can watch the description of how everything's broken down. You don't need much room, you pretty much just need a square meter, and you should be able to move freely within that square meter.